Hi friends, see you again. Today I'm planning to make chicken soup. Very simple and easy. What we need is half chicken, potato, two potato already cut into four, salt, sesame oil. This is black pepper, ginger, garlic, and chicken cube. Water. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll take this garlic garlic and ginger. we'll we'll mix it, we'll blend it, how to say, blend it to small pieces. Then we will start. After doing this, will be like this, already mixed up. If you don't have this stone in the house, you can even use the blender. Add both ingredient, the and add little water, and you can blend it. So today I'm using this stone. So after this, I will start with the oil and I will season it first. I'll show you guys. Okay, now I will add the sesame oil. I like to use sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, you can use normal cooking oil also, no problem. So I'm adding. Okay, that's it. I slow down the fire. Then I'll add the ginger and garlic. I'll mix everything up. We'll fry it for 1 minute. Let it fry. It's frying. While you're frying, you can smell very good smell. The sesame oil smell mixed with garlic and ginger. Okay, let it fry for 1 minute. After one minute frying, then I'll add the chicken. Chicken and potato. And also the Maggi cube, chicken Maggi cube, one. Let me move. Mix up. Let it fry in the oil for a while. Okay. Now I add some salt. Then I'll add some black pepper. Very simple and easy. Even if you don't have pot or you don't have gas stove, you can even cook in the rice cooker. Simple, very simple. 2 ingredients only garlic and ginger. Okay, I'll make it fry, I think, for 1 minute. Then I'll add water for the soup. If you all like carrot, you can add carrot also. But today I don't have carrot, I just use potato. Fry. It's already frying. Don't fry so much. Then we'll add the water. Add water. I will put more water till I fill up the pot. Can you see, friends? I already fill up the pot. So now I will let it cook for, I think, half an hour. Cook for half an hour till the chicken and the potato cook. And salt we can try later. If no enough salt, we can add more salt. This is the way how I make my simple chicken soup. When you have no time, you are rushing to go somewhere, this is the easiest way. Very easy and simple. So after half an hour, I will show you how it looks. Okay, let it boil now. Stay tuned. Okay friends, this is how it look after half an hour boiling. I think my chicken is done. Potato is soft. I'll check the potato. I need a fork. So then if you taste less salt, you can add more salt. But I think for me it's enough. I just check the potato. Potato is soft. It's soft. Yeah, it's soft. It's already done. Please try at home. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment below. Okay, bye. See you again.